Welcome back to my channel. This is Benny from Benny's Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching us how to. Today's tutorial is on how to install WordPress on your domain from your Cpanel. So I'm going to be installing it. So just watch. Click on the software installer from my Cpanel. So I'm going to select the domain I want to install. Since I have security on my website, so I'm going to be selecting this option that has HTTPS. That's the SSL certificate. So I have other domains here. I'm going to be selecting this domain, the subdomain I just opened for the tutorials. I'm going to be removing this because I want the directory to be installed directly on my web domain. Then I choose the latest version of WordPress. You fill in your details, like name of your website. Just fill in your details, name of your website, and fill in the username and password. Okay, right now we're going to be adding our site description. Just fill in your details, site description, your username, your password, and all that. Then after this, you just click install. If you want to send your install settings to your email address, you just type in your email address. Then you go ahead and install your WordPress. Click installing. So that's it, guys. This you have installed your WordPress on your WordPress site. These are details to log in to view your site. So this is the link to the admin, and this is the link to view your site. So we're going to do a test run. We're going to view this site. So after typing your details, your username and your password, your website name and tag, you click install. Then congratulations, your software has been installed successfully. And here is your WordPress URL to your website, and here is your administrative link. This is where you can access the back end of your website. Once you click this link, you type in your username and password you entered while you were storing it. Then it opens up your dashboard. Here we go. Congratulations, your website is up and running. And here is your dashboard, the back end of your website, where you get to edit your website, add your theme, change your theme, edit your pages, add pages to your website, add plugins, edit your document, your files, add images, and all. So thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. So don't forget to subscribe to Benny's Tech YouTube channel for more tutorials on WordPress website design and other CSS, HTML, WordPress design tutorials. Thank you.